In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Pipedrive API key. This is your personal API token, and it's what allows other tools and automations to securely connect to your Pipedrive account. Think of it like a password specifically for apps and integrations. Because of that, you should always keep it private and never share it publicly. Let's walk through the process step by step, directly inside the Pipedrive web app. First, log into your Pipedrive account in your browser. Once you're on your main dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon, which might be your initials, your avatar, or a small user icon. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to choose the option labeled Personal Preferences. This is where Pipedrive keeps all of your user-specific settings, including things like language, notifications, and of course, your API settings. After you click Personal Preferences, you'll be taken to a new page with several tabs across the top. Look for the tab that says API. It usually sits alongside other tabs like Account or Security, but the key one for this tutorial is simply API. Click on that tab to open your API settings. On the API page, you'll see a section labeled Your Personal API Token. Right below that, there will be a long string of letters and numbers. That string is your Pipedrive API key. To use it, just highlight that entire character string and copy it, either by right-clicking and choosing Copy, or by using your usual keyboard shortcut. Once copied, you can paste it into whatever integration, automation tool, or application you're setting up that requires access to your Pipedrive account. A few quick tips before you go. Treat this token as highly sensitive. Do not share it in screenshots, videos, or messages, and avoid pasting it into places you don't fully trust. If you ever suspect that your key has been exposed or shared by mistake, go back to this same API page in Pipedrive. From there, you can generate a new token so that any old copies stop working. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you now know exactly where to find your personal Pipedrive API key and how to use it safely in your integration.